In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your shipping address during checkout on Depop. We're going to walk through this directly on the Depop website using Chrome, and the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. If you're buying something and notice that your delivery address is outdated, incomplete, or simply not the one you want to use for this order, you can usually update it during checkout before you finalize your purchase. Start by opening Chrome and going to depop.com. Once the website loads, log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you use more than one profile or share a device. That way, you'll be editing the right order information. After you're logged in, find the item you want to purchase and add it to your shopping bag. Take a quick moment to confirm that it's the correct item, size, or variation, since it's always easier to review everything before heading to payment. Next, go to the top right corner of the page and click Checkout. This will take you to the order review and shipping section where you can confirm the details for your purchase. If your current shipping address appears and it's not the one you want to use, don't worry, you can change it from here. Look for the Ship to section on the checkout page. This area shows the address where your order will be delivered. Next to the listed address, click Edit. That will open the address form so you can update the shipping information for this order. Now input your new shipping address details carefully. Be sure to enter everything accurately, including the street address, apartment or unit number if needed, city, state or region, postal code, and country. It's a good idea to double check spelling and number accuracy here because even small mistakes can delay delivery or send your package to the wrong location. Once the new address is entered, save the updated details. After that, your checkout will reflect the new shipping information and you can continue completing your order with the correct delivery address in place. Before you finish the purchase, take one final look at the checkout page to make sure the updated address is showing correctly. That extra review can help prevent problems later. And that's it! You've successfully changed your shipping address on Depop during checkout.